name's Mackenzie. I am a master esthetician here at Imago Medical Spa. Today we're going to be talking about Hydrafacial Keravive Scalp treatment. So why would somebody need this scalp treatment? If you're struggling with poor circulation or clogged hair follicles, this can lead to thinning or hair loss. The Keravive is going to help to cleanse, exfoliate, and infuse the scalp with lots of growth factors and skin proteins to help you gain back healthier, fuller looking hair. So the same vortex fusion technology on the Hydrafacial helps with the scalp as well, really pulling out all the debris, pollution, dead skin cells on the scalp. When this happens, the hair follicle does become more clean, extract dirt, oil, any residue from products or shampoo. All of that is really going to clog the hair follicles and make your hair fall out or just thin. So the Keravive is actually great for anybody in any time of their lives, whether it's postpartum or just age when your hair is thinning out. The Keravive does use growth factors to really help regain that hair back. So with the Keravive, it does come with a 30-day spray that you use at home as well. This really intensifies those results, giving you fuller, healthier looking hair. So after cleansing and exfoliating all the gunk off of your scalp, we then go in and infuse your skin with the growth factors and also skin proteins to help that circulation in your hair, regaining that hair growth back for you. So the growth factors are synthetic. This does help to penetrate even deeper into the scalp. It also includes vitamin B5 to help moisturize the skin and the scalp, and then also argine, which helps build keratin in the hair. We do recommend 3 to 4 treatments 1 month apart to see the best results. The only post-care to this Keravive treatment is just not washing your hair for the next 24 hours after the treatment. One of my most favorite things about this treatment is also it's great with our NeoGraft hair transplant treatment. So we like to do this treatment before the male or female gets the NeoGraft hair transplant, and then about 6 months afterwards as well, just to really help that stimulation and help those new hair follicles to grow even better.